This was January 2022 when I first time noticed a hair loss patch at the back of my head. I was devastated. I could never think that I would ever face a hair loss problem. It took me into shock. The first thing I did was grew my hair to cover the patch. Do you think it worked? Exactly. It did not. Every now and then the cover would blew up and somebody would point it out to me in the gym, on the road, at home, at a party. It was such a confidence sucker. I knew I had to get them back. Baldness runs in my family, but if I had to lose hair, I would have lost them by now. I started introspecting and it turned out that the main reason I was losing hair was because of stress. I was working late nights, I was expecting certain results at work, and for some reasons beyond my control, they were being delayed. Obviously, my diet was all over the place. I was not hitting the gym as regularly as I would want to. Another reason, apart from stress, was that I was not following a proper hair care routine. I hate to say that, but yes, as a preacher, I was guilty of not following my own advice. I decided to make certain lifestyle changes. My journey of regrowth was a culmination of various measures that I implemented. Firstly, I set up a new timetable with fixed working hours. I would not work after 6 p.m. Instead, it would be me time, gym time, family time. Second thing I took care was of having my meals on time. I included a lot of green veggies and protein-enriched dietary. I added fish oil supplements. Number 3, I cut my hair short to avoid any further loss. Short hair is obviously much more easily managed. I stopped blow drying. I started oiling them regularly and using this baby roller, which is called derma roller. It augments regrowth and it can hurt, but yes, it is effective. It is an amazing tool. Next was to keep my hair clean and dirt free. So I started using shampoo and conditioner which were paraben and sulfate free. But these were all external measures. I knew I needed something to work internally. Something which was effective, affordable, easy and required less efforts. But before I tell you the secret, I want you to like this video. It would really mean a lot. The secret hack was Amla juice by Nutriorg. This was the secret ingredient I consumed, and I feel that this had the most important role to play in getting back my hair. Every morning and evening, empty stomach before breakfast or dinner, you need to take this. Pour 20 to 30 ml of Amla juice in a glass and add lukewarm water, approximately 200 to 250 ml. Stir well and have it in 3 parts. Amla juice not only helps in hair regrowth but is also high in antioxidant. It is good for your digestion as it strengthens your liver, which means it will help you get rid of those toxins, flushing them out through your urinary system. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, which means it will help you achieve your good skin goals too. It boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. This is definitely a product I would recommend to all my family members, which includes you. Let's talk about the brand Nutriorg. Of course, there are a lot of companies which offer you Amla juice. The question I'm trying to answer here is, why did I choose Amla juice from Nutriorg? Majorly because of 2 reasons. Their products are organic, and second, they grow their own products in company-owned farmlands. Obviously, they have a better control on the supplies and you can be sure of hygiene and genuinity. It is no surprise that Nutriorg has earned a good name as a leading health and wellness organic detox brand in the industry. Past few years, they've been growing at a very brisk rate. Well, if the brand is so good, how could have I stopped with just one product? I buy from them regularly. My top 5 products are: number 1, of course, Amla juice. The second one is aloe vera juice. Third is apple cider vinegar. Fourth is honey, and fifth is a rose water. If you want to know why these are my favorites, comment below and I shall make individual videos on each of the products detailing their benefits and usage. Nutri.org works rigorously towards furnishing the market with a range of wellness products. Their range of products is organic food, healthcare, skincare products, healthy drinks, detoxification juices, wood and cold pressed oils, healthy breakfast, dietary supplements, hair care products, organic powders, and organic sweeteners and salt. It is a brand you would definitely want to try. I shall be posting all the links in the description below. Do go and check them out. This was Asif from Awesome and Amazing Style signing off. See you later. Bye bye.